All right, guys. This is Mr. H. I am looking at question number 8. It's an exponential function. It's a growing exponential. But they say B is equal to 1300 parentheses 2.65 to the x power. So the 1300 is the y-intercept. That's the initial value. That's the y-intercept. The stuff inside the parentheses is the growth factor. And we know it's growing because it's over $1. So this is $2.65. So it's over $1. So we know it's going to be growing. So this is the growth factor. And this is telling you the number of times that it's growing by 265. So if we put in a 2 there, we would be multiplying 2.65 times 2.65. If we put a 4 in there, we would multiply it by 2.65 times 2.65 times 2.65 times 2.65. So basically it's telling you how many times to multiply it, or another way of saying that, that's the number of time periods that you're going to put up there, and that's going to tell you how many times to multiply the base, all right? So the answer for this one, it's not. B represents the total number of bacteria. The stuff in here that represents the percent at which the bacteria is growing. The 1300, that's the initial number of bacteria that we have. And then the X represents the number of time periods. That's just your knowledge of exponential functions. Now, we did cover those, and we contrasted that with linear functions, but this is a question that most students just they don't recognize that the x is just the number of time periods or the number of times that you're going to multiply the base, which is kind of the same thing. But that's it. The answer for this one is 4. If you miss this one, not a big deal. If you should know it, but if you miss it, it's not a big deal. All right, so I'm going to stop this and post.